Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, in this short video, I will be showing you how to do a factory reset on your Revel 4 or your Revel 4 Plus. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. First step, power off your device. Once your device is powered off, we will need to be pushing the volume up and the power button and hold it until you see the Revel 4 logo. As soon as that boots, let go of the power button, but keep holding the volume up. Now we get here to the recovery screen. From here, scroll down to wipe data / factory reset and press the power button to select it. Now once again, volume down to select factory data reset, power button to select it. And you're all set. Now we can just reboot the system and our job is done.